Welcome to Amy's Crafts and Things. I'm Amy. In today's tutorial, we're going to go over how to auto punch an image to an embroidery design. We will go ahead and go into our image tab to open from File, where we will find the image that we're going to use. We will find PE Design 11, Tutorial 6. We will click on our penguin image and click Open. From here, we will go into the upper right portion of the screen and click on Auto Punch under the Image tab, and you will go ahead and choose a mask that you would like to use. If you alter a mask, you can do so by clicking the button under the arrow, and it will allow you to adjust the nodes if you would like. And to create something a little different, if you do this, you can go ahead and click on Clipping Mask. I will do that here, and I will click OK. And it brings your mask up to the top part of your screen. I want to go back into the circle, and that is the one with the black hash marks. Those are the ones that are built into the software. So we will go ahead and click on our Select tool, and I will go ahead and reshape my mask to get it to where I would like it. Okay. You can tune your image by clicking Image Tune, and that will tune it to your sharpness, your brightness, and all your colors. There is an Open Image tab here if you would like to change your image. You can certainly zoom in and out by holding onto the slider bar and dragging it up or down. Click on Next. And here is where you check your mask shape or modify your image. You can, in the lower left-hand portion of your screen, there is your design settings where you can choose single needle machine, multi-needle machine, your hoop size. You can certainly grab the handles to make it bigger or smaller, or click on the lower left hand corner of your screen. There is a Fit to Page button. Right under that is the size of your design. Go ahead and click on Next. And here is your auto punch parameters. You can choose to omit colors if you would like by clicking on them. You can create lines in your auto punch by unchecking the colors. The thread chart is located next on the right, and you can choose whatever thread chart you would like to use. You can set your noise reduction to remove distortions in your design, in your image rather. The segmentation sensitive sets the sensitivity of these segments in your image. You can go ahead and click on Retry, and it will fine-tune things for you. Click on the Add Mask Outline, and it will add your outline to your design. Go ahead and click on Finish, and it will calculate and create it into an embroidery design. And you have the ability now to go into Home, and you can edit it like you would any other embroidery design with your sewing attributes, with your densities, and your undersewing, and your stitches. You can go to the color charts and select colors, so you can certainly edit it from here. And that is how you auto punch an image into an embroidery design using PE Design 11 or Palette 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to be notified when new tutorials are posted. Thank you for watching.